Hi, my name is Tony. I'm here from Atlanta. One of the best decisions I made was to come here to the ENT Institute. 3 years ago, I had sinus surgery, and I started on allergy treatments, and it made a tremendous difference in my lifestyle. Before that time, I was sick so much that I was on antibiotics 5 or 6 times a year. And since then, I've only been on antibiotics twice over 3 years. So it has really changed my life. I started, I think, gradually having some sinus and allergy issues from the time that I was in my 20s. So I would say close to 30 years. And I was seeing another ENT for, somewhere around 8, 9 years before coming to ENT. But I was on lots of medications. I was on 3 nasal sprays and other medications to control my sinuses and allergies. But they weren't working. And coming to the ENT Institute, we found a better way to change my life. I felt the difference immediately. As soon as I recovered from the surgery, which was a couple of weeks or so, I noticed a tremendous difference in my breathing. I felt like I was getting air in like I hadn't in maybe 30 or 40 years. And as you can see, I'm not a very young chicken, but I work as hard as anybody who's half my age. One of the reasons I came to the ENT Institute is I was working on a project one year where I met 2 fellows who had both been here and had sinus surgery. And they knew how miserable I was, and they recommended that I come here. And I'm glad that I did. Being here has made such a change in my life. I'm happy now to be one of those referring, people to the ENT Institute. I've referred a lot of people here as a result of my experience.